Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a product listing from inventory in Amazon Seller Central. This is a useful skill when you need to remove discontinued items or clean up your inventory to keep your seller account organized and up to date. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to sellercentral.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you directly into your Seller Central dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon business. Although I don't have an Amazon Seller Central account myself, I'll show you exactly what you need to do next. Once you're logged in, look at the top toolbar of your Seller Central dashboard. Here you'll find several menu options. Click on Inventory, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Inventory. This section is where all your active product listings are stored and where you can make changes to them. It's essentially your inventory control center. Now you'll see a list of all your current product listings. Take a moment to locate the specific product listing you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if you have many products. This step is important to ensure you're deleting the correct item and not accidentally removing something you want to keep selling. Once you've found the product, click the checkbox next to the listing. If you need to remove multiple items at once, you can select multiple checkboxes. This feature is particularly helpful if you're doing a bulk cleanup of your inventory or discontinuing several products at the same time. After selecting your product or products, look in the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Action on One Selected, or if you've selected more items, it will reflect that number. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Delete Product and Listing. This action will completely remove the product from your inventory and your storefront. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to verify this deletion. This is Amazon's way of making sure you don't accidentally delete something important. Go ahead and click OK to confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. Now comes an important part. You'll need to wait for the change to finish processing. This can take about 15 minutes, so don't worry if the product doesn't disappear immediately. Amazon needs time to update its systems and remove the listing from all its databases. During this time, you can continue working on other tasks in your Seller Central account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a product listing from your Amazon Seller Central inventory. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.